Dear friends, welcome to Student Impulse. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Tirunelveli. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos on job openings. Please do not pay money for any kind. Firstly, there is a job opening for AZP Nidhi Limited. They are looking for cashier or accounts assistant. AGP Nidhi Limited, a renowned banking and finance company based out of Tirunelveli, they are looking for honest and trustful cashiers or accounts assistants who has experience on cash handling in financial company or finance division and also who has a relevant knowledge in the field of bookkeeping and account maintenance and accounts entry. Freshers with a good attitude, energetic and seeking nature are also most welcome. Job type full-time fresher. Salary offered up to 8,000 per month. Supplemental pay is available. Performance bonus, quarterly bonus, and yearly bonus. Education qualification required bachelor's. I have shared the official contact address details here. You can check with that. If you have any questions, let me know in comments. I will be replying for that. Next, there is a job opening for Adi Course Private Limited. They are looking for service advisor. Salary offered up to 9,000 per month. They need 6 month experience in service field, automobile, car field, minimum qualification ITI or diploma or relevant experience in service. Supplemental pay is available, performance bonus. I have included the official contact address and a phone number. You can check with that and get to know more information on this. Next, there is a job opening for OSP Healthcare Private Limited. They are looking for medical sales representative. Immediate opening is available. Minimum 2 to 4 years of experience in medical sales representative is required. Multi-specialty doctors to be known. Graduation is mandatory. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. Next, there is a job opening for Rural Basket for delivery executive position. Salary offered 15,000 a month. They are looking for a responsible delivery executive to distribute products promptly to their customers. Responsibilities are as below. Deliver a wide variety of items to different addresses and through different routes. Follow routes and time schedule. Load, unload, prepare, inspect the products. Ask for feedback on provided services. Collect payments. Inform customers about new products and services. Complete logs and reports. You can contact on the given phone number for further details, or else you can also contact on the given address and check with the further details and procedure formalities. And if you have any questions, ask me below in comments. I will be replying for that. Next, there is a job opening for Meena Shankar Vidyalaya for social English teacher positions. Salary offered up to 30,000 a month. We are hiring a social teacher and also an English teacher for middle school. The job responsibilities and requirements for both are as below. Initially, during the pandemic, the teacher should be able to deliver classes online. The candidate should be proficient in online tools for preparing online course material, delivery and assessment. Minimum 3 years of experience in CBSE school is required. Develop lesson plans, adapts curriculum to meet student needs, assess and record students' development, encourage student participation and interaction, communicates effectively with students, parents, and staff colleagues, maintain class discipline, participates in webinars, school events, and the like other events. You can contact on the given phone number for further details, or you can also contact on the given address and to get to know more information on this. Next, for the same organization, Meena Shankar Vidyalaya, they are hiring different multiple positions for teacher for different subjects like TC Tamil, English, Mathematics, Science, and Social Science. PRT all subjects, Wellness teacher, Special educator. Minimum 3 years of experience in CBSE schools is required. Candidate must have excellent communication skills. Qualification as per CBSE norms and salary offered up to 30,000 a month. You can contact on the given phone number or at the given address to check with the further details and further procedure. Next, there is a job opening for CIEL HR services. They are looking for sales executive. Salary offered up to 16,000 a month. Position sales executive. Experience required 2 to 5 years in sales marketing. Two-wheeler is must. Meeting with dealers 70% existing dealers, 30% appointment with new dealers. Product tire sales in Tirunelveli area. Willing to travel more than 50 km per day. Salary offered up to 16,000 plus daily allowances plus petrol 3 rupees per kilometer. Interested candidates, you can contact Mr. Prakash on the given phone number 7339426262. Education qualification required graduation. Next, there is a job opening for SS Associates for female front office executive. Salary offered up to 7,500 a month. For our chain of dental hospitals, first we candidates required for our Tirunelveli branches. Three branches are there. Only female candidates are required. Female front office executives will be a graduate and duty timing will be 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Salary negotiable for experienced candidates. This recruitment is purely on merit based. Interested candidates may forward their resume by mail or by person. For any queries, you can contact on the given phone number for further details. The phone number is 8526140940. For experienced, they may offer more than this salary. You can check with the by contacting on the given phone number for further details. Next, there is a job opening for Aishwarya Fertility Services Private Limited. They are looking for female OT staff nurse. Need female OT trained staff nurse with minimum 1 year of experience. Candidates should stay in and around Tirunelveli. Education qualification diploma is preferred. You can contact on the given address for further details. Next, there is a job opening for Nexa Tirunelveli Adhikars Private Limited. They are looking for telecalling executive. Recruiting telecalling for sales Nexa Tirunelveli. Education qualification bachelor's. You can contact on the given phone number for further details. I have also included the address details here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for Epson Technologies. They are looking for marketing executive. Salary offered 1 lakh to 2 lakhs a year to formulate and propose various marketing strategies in accordance with corporate policy, to provide necessary inputs to the media coordinator for publishing materials such as information booklet, leaflets, handbills, brochures, and other related materials. The workflow of the marketing system shall be mapped and discussed with manager for proper planning and implementation. To plan and schedule a meeting with the representatives of present and prospective corporate clients. To conduct regular follow-up of the prospective corporate clients who have received our information folder. To plan various activities as per the phase-wise marketing strategic plans. To explore newer geographical area for new markets, to explore new product feasibility for business expansion, to do regular field work to understand and develop and fine tune the existing marketing plan, to submit a detailed monthly report to management outlining the activities carried out for the month and the accountability results achieved. Weekly progress report should be submitted in brief to the manager for review. Support in all marketing proposes to the manager, client feedback, to obtain personal feedback from the clients, client attendance at regular intervals and brief management regarding appropriate actions to be taken. Education qualification required BBA or MBA, marketing, finance. Freshers also eligible for this profile as they mentioned 0 to 2 years of experience. You can contact on the given address for further details. If you have any questions, ask me below in comments. I will reply for that. Next, there is a job opening for Dr. Kanis Dental Care for receptionist position. Stipend offered up to 4,000 a month. They are hiring female receptionist with a good communication, clinic management, and basic computer knowledge for dental clinic. Warmly greet patients and treat them politely. Able to work on splitted shifts 9:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. and 4:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Mostly staff nearby this hospital area is preferred. You can contact on the given address for further details. Next, there is a job opening for Mass Solar System Private Limited for marketing executive position. Salary offered up to 25,000 a month. Looking for a dynamic, energetic, and versatile young individual with keen interest in marketing and product development. Responsibilities and duties are as below. The candidate should have at least 1 year of experience working in lead business and having working knowledge of marketing. devise strategy and content for key communication channels, idea, plan, and work with the development team to ensure timely delivery of new features, monitoring analysis of the campaigns. An ideal candidate should be creative in mindset and self-motivated. He will be a part of product and marketing team and play a key role in achieving the overall business objectives of the company and bring a change in the way solar is perceived, consumed and talked about by the masses. You can contact Mr. Karthik on the given number 8489993927. I have also included the official contact address, official phone number here. You can check with that. Next, there is a job opening for White Font Technologies. They are looking for 2D or 3D animator. Salary offered up to 13,000 a month. Experience required up to 3 years. Skills required 2D animation, 2D drawing, character sketching, Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Flash. Experienced on artistic skills, utility on Photoshop, sound knowledge on Flash, Photoshop and related softwares. Should be well creative and proactive, working within tight deadline, visualize perspective and 3D space, have a keen interest in design, architecture and film, solid 2D animation, motion graphics, experience, create and deliver motion graphics imagination, artistic flair and talent share, new design perspective and ideas, should have color sense and advantage on brushstrokes, produce a wide range of highly creative environment, concept art, props and layouts. Prepare design plan, concept and layout. Hand drawing is must. Experience in animation and motion graphics. You can share your resume at the provided email ID hr@try@whitefont.in, or you can also contact on the given office address. You can check with this. For the same organization, Whitefont Technologies, they are looking for senior PHP developer. We are looking for senior PHP developer candidates matching the below requirements can apply for this position. Job locations are the various positions are there. Tirunelveli is one of them. Experience required 2 to 4 years. Skills required HTML5, CSS3, PHP. Must have working experience in open sources like Joomla, OpenCart and WordPress. Additional experience, Code Igniter framework. Experience with payment gateway integration, API, web services, should be strong in logical and analytical skills, good communication skills, looking for immediate journeys. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. This will be common for all of the job profiles. You have to share the given email ID and you can also contact on the given address. Next, there is a job opening for senior Android developer for white font only. We are looking for senior Android developer with 2 to 4 years of experience. Candidates matching the below requirements can apply for this position. Experience required 2 to 4 years. Skills require strong knowledge of Android SDK, different versions of Android and how to deal with different screen sizes. Strong knowledge of Android UI, design principles, patterns and best practices. Experience with offline storage, threading and performance tuning. Understanding of Google's Android design principles and interface guidelines. Design and develop high volume, low latency applications for mission critical systems, delivering high availability and performance. Good grasp of technology and tools used for development. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. For the same organization, they are looking for senior OpenCart developer. Skills required are as PHP, OpenCart, MySQL, AngularJS, and jQuery. Strong experience in e-commerce domain, creating, modifying, and troubleshooting source code in different difficult OpenCart code base. And they are looking for immediate journeys. You can share your resume at the provided email ID or you can contact on the given address. Next, for the same organization, Whitefont, they are looking for senior tester. Skills required are as below. Experience required 1 to 6 years of experience. Skills required manual testing of web-based application. Working knowledge in automation tools is an added advantage. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Next, for the same organization, Whitefont, they are looking for senior SEO analyst. We are looking for senior SEO professional who is expertise in keyword analysis, competitor analysis, on-page optimization, off-page optimization, social media optimization. Experience required 2 to 4 years of experience. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. For the same organization, Whitefont, they are looking for senior graphic designer. We are looking for senior graphic designer with minimum 2 to 4 years of experience. Skills required Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, InDesign. Candidate must have experience in designing in logos, brochures and flyers, Candidates must have exposure in web page layout designing. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. For the same organization, they are looking for senior desktop support engineer. Skills required are as below. Must be strong in Windows voice installations, patch update, antivirus installations, data backup recovery, Outlook configuration, remote infrastructure management. Candidate must have experience in ad server installation and maintenance. Candidate must have knowledge in VPN and firewall. You can share your resume at the provided email ID or you can also contact on the given address for further details. For the same organization, they are looking for senior iOS developer. The skills are as below. Expertise in OOPS, Objective-C concepts, all versions of Shift, web service and parsing JSON XML. Experience with iOS frameworks such as Core Data, Core Animation, etc. Experience with offline storage, threading and performance tuning. Familiarity with RESTful APIs to connect iOS applications to backend services. Familiarity with Cloud Message APIs and push notifications. Proficient understanding of code versioning tools such as Git, understanding of Apple's design principles and interface guidelines, ability to understand business requirements and translate them into technical requirements, excellent logical and analytical abilities, a passion for technology and the ability to learn new concepts quickly, solid understanding of the full mobile development lifecycle, looking for immediate journeys. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Next, for the same organization, they are looking for senior main full stack developer. Skills are required are as below. Expertise in coding using Node.js, Express.js, expertise in UI development using AngularJS, expertise in working on REST API based communications, expertise in developing WebSocket, strong hold on JavaScript both client and server side, expertise in writing queries and optimizing them for large data sets in MongoDB or MySQL, expertise in HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript libraries like Dozo, Bootstrap, jQuery, expertise to understand RST, FST, SRS, etc. for product development and or customization, clear understanding and ability to code in a multi-module development environment. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. For the same organization, Whitefont, they are looking for WordPress developer. Skills are as below required. Develop WordPress websites, web applications, analyze and requirements in detail and logical view. Closely interact with the business analytics, tech leads, co-developers, designers, and test engineers. Follow up the organizational practices on coding standards. Develop WordPress themes, plugins, installation, customization, and configuration of plugins. Develop and integrate payment and SMS gateways. Edit and repurpose WordPress plugins as per business requirements of clients. Develop the web applications with integration of WooCommerce. Hosting of WordPress sites. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further process and further details. Next, there is a job opening for Java developer for same organization Whitefont. Skills required are as below. Experience required 2 to 4 years. Experience in Java, PL/SQL. Strong knowledge of XML, AWS. Strong knowledge of object-oriented concepts. Understanding of MVC pattern. Developing application using J2EE, servlets, struts, Spring, and JDBC. Strong understanding and handling of Apache Tomcat, Doma, and Hibernate. Hands-on experience in PostgreSQL, MySQL, Oracle, MS SQL Server. Development expertise on platforms like Windows, Unix, and Linux. You can contact on the given address or you can contact share your resume at the provided email ID for further details and further process. Next, for the same organization Whitefont, they are looking for senior UI developer. Skills required are as below. Should have expert level of knowledge on TypeScripting, HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap. Should have strong debugging skills on developer tools of browser and working with cross-browser UI. Good to have knowledge on the other JS frameworks, Knockout.js, External.js, Ember.js, and Backbone.js, and Require.js. Should have experience in response, adaptive web design for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Should have experience in Agile software development projects. Should have solid understanding and experience with object-oriented design and development. Experience in client communication and working with client on requirements and delivery. Should have good hands-on experience with object-oriented JavaScript and design patterns. Should have experience in consuming services using REST API. Good communication skills. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Next, for the same organization white font, they are looking for senior SMO analyst. Skills required are as below. 2 to 4 years of experience in search engine marketing. Perform keyword research in coordination with internal business objectives to optimize existing content and search for new opportunities. Solid knowledge of website analytics tools such as Google Analytics, Web Trends, etc. Provide recommendations and execute strategies for content development in coordination with SEO goals, general and keyword specific. Implement like building campaigns in coordination with digital marketing team and assist in development and execution of communication or content strategies with SEO goals. Working knowledge of ad serving tools, example dot, Atlas, experience in setting up and optimizing Google AdWords campaigns, keep pace with SEO, search engines, social media, and interact with internet marketing industry trends and developments, monitor and evaluate search results and search performance across the major search channels and assess against goals, ROI, and KPIs, strong communication skills and high standard of written English, ability to express thoughts logically and succinctly. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. For the same organization, white font, they are looking for senior content writer. Skills required are as below. Creating new content, written articles for blogs as well as various web domains. Ability to grasp new business ideas and topics quickly. In relation to technical topics, should be able to ask clients or concerned stockholders the right questions in order to gain enough information to prepare the required content. Coordination with search engine optimization team to identify key topics and subjects and create the same within the guidelines provided. Good communication skills. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. There is a job opening for senior 2D artist. They are looking for senior 2D artist with minimum 2 to 4 years of experience. Candidates matching the below requirements can apply for this position. Salary as per the industry norms, minimum expertise 2 plus years of experience in 2D drawing, ability to create a variety of production quality artwork with experience in user interface design and animation, a well developed sense of color and composition with a substantial interest in form and typography, an excellent team player with good communication and organizational skills who demonstrate pride and responsibility in your work and modest and respectful and getting feedback. Create beautiful characters, assets, environments, and animations to be rolled out into the game and game characters. Art specialties may include environments, props, buildings, landscapes, lighting, and texturing, effects, icons, and user interface. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Organization white font, they are looking for senior Magneto developer. Skills required are as below. Minimum 2 plus years of experience in Magneto development with in-depth knowledge of Magneto framework, theme customization and plugin development, development of custom modules of Magneto as needed, API integration with third-party tools, plugins and services, in-depth knowledge of Magneto's code structure, extensions architecture, theming hierarchy and feedback components, experience working in Magneto 2.0, Magneto certification is a plus. Proficient in PHP 5.5, MySQL 5.6, LAMP server stack management, knowledge on HTML, CSS, JS, JavaScript, experience with caching and scaling techniques, experience in GIT based source control and deployment strategies, strong knowledge in implementation of API services like REST SOAP, excellent database design and implementation skills, should possess in-depth knowledge on complete e-commerce architecture and systems, strong working knowledge of shopping cart development with shipping and payment gateway integration for e-commerce websites. You can contact on the given phone address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Same organization, they are looking for senior server engineer. Skills required are as below. Must be expertise in below and should have experience in handling servers of mid-size ID companies with multi-local capabilities. Candidates must have knowledge in Windows ad servers installation and maintenance and knowledge in Tortoise SVN server setup maintenance, knowledge in Linux, knowledge in database server, Oracle and SQL server installation and maintenance, must have knowledge in firewall setup and maintenance, must have knowledge in installation of IIS, Tomcat, Apache and XAMPP servers, must have knowledge in automatic backup management, must have knowledge in VMware. You can contact in the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID along with your credentials and your skill set. Same organization, they are looking for senior network engineer. Responsibilities and duties are as given below. designing and implementing new network solutions, and are improving the efficiency of current networks, installing, configuring, and supporting network equipment including routers, proxy servers, switches, WAN accelerators, DNS and DHCP, procuring network equipment and managing subcontractors involved with network installation, configuring firewalls, routing and switching to maximize network efficiency and security, maximizing network performance through ongoing monitoring and troubleshooting, arranging scheduled upgrades, investigating faults in the network, updating network equipment to the latest firmware releases, reporting network status to manager. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID with your skill set and your resume. Next, for the same organization, white font, they are looking for senior ERP implementation engineer. Skills required are as below. Experience in customized ERP implementation is a must. With 2 years of experience, should be willing to travel all over India. Good communication skills with multiple languages, preferably English, Hindi, and Telugu, Tamil, Kannada languages. Technical expertise with ASP.NET will be added advantage. Industry domain knowledge and basic database knowledge would also be seen as advantageous. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. For the same organization, Whitefont, they are looking for senior hardware chip level service engineer. Skills required are as below. Must be expertise on working with desktop and laptop motherboards in chip level services, diagnosing the motherboard and working IC units, checking voltage, repairing motherboard SMPS, RAM, hard disk, and other hardware peripherals, willing to work in rotational shifts. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. Next, there is a job opening for same organization Whitefont for senior database administrator. Skills required are as below: extensive experience with database technologies, MySQL, MS SQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, MongoDB, advanced knowledge of database security, backup and recovery, and performance monitoring standards, PowerShell and Unix shell scripting skills, understanding of relational and dimensional data modeling. You can contact on the given address for further details. I have also included the official email ID address to share your resume. Organization Whitefont, they are looking for senior MVC.NET. Skills required are as below: .NET development using ASP.NET, Link, Entity Framework, and jQuery. Should have a hands-on experience in concepts such as Ajax XML and JSON. Should you have hands-on experience in development and unit testing of applications, Microsoft ASP.NET MVC and SHIAS? Should you have experience in writing data access code using Microsoft Entity Framework? Experience in web development, experience with the Microsoft Server platforms. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. For the same organization, Whitefont, they are looking for senior .NET developer. Experience required minimum 2 to 4 years. Skills required ASP.NET MVC SQL Server. You can contact in the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. Next, there is a job opening for the same organization, Whitefont, for as a senior ASP developer. They are looking for senior ASP developer. The candidates matching the below requirements can apply for this position. Required skills are as below. The ideal candidate must have proven hands-on experience in developing ASP.NET web solutions using .NET Framework, SHIAS, MVC pattern, and SQL Server. Must be fully aware of architecture and design patterns, web APIs, developing and using APIs, application security, HTML5, CSS3, and implementation. Must have knowledge of Agile, Scrum, and other SDLC process. Must be hands-on with Visual Studio environment, debugging client-side and server-side code, debugging SQL, writing PLSQL, SPs and unit testing web applications. Must be a team player and with good communication and academic record. Willing to work on any .NET framework, project medium to large. Perform technical research, evaluate tools and open source technologies. Must have strong analytical skills, knowledge of software engineering principles, excellent understanding of OOPS concepts and Agile Scrum methodologies. Key responsibilities: coding and debugging. Work closely with the development team and testing team in an Agile Scrum team setting. Document and report tasks, solutions, progress, and issues. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. Next, for the same organization, there is a job opening as a senior SharePoint designer. Skills required are as below. very good understanding of SharePoint objects model and site hierarchy, adapt and creating SharePoint master pages, page layouts and branding of SharePoint sites, should have sound knowledge on SharePoint branding techniques including JS injection, custom themes, should have good understanding of site templates, web templates and site definition, good at creating mockups and wireframes, experience in working with SharePoint frameworks and SharePoint Online, technology, HTML5, CSS, Bootstrap, JS, jQuery, Angular, Node.js, React.NET. Tools required SharePoint Designer, InfoPath Forms Designer, Visual Studio. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. Next, for the same organization, Whitefont, they are looking for senior SharePoint developer. Requirements skills are as below: expert in Office 365, expert in Cloud SharePoint, very good understanding of SharePoint object model, server side and client side and site hierarchy, adapt in creating customer components in SharePoint SSOM, including web parts, user controls, workflows, event receivers, timer jobs, adapt in creating custom components using client side scripting with CSOM, JSON, REST APIs, create custom forms and pages using SharePoint Designer and InfoPath Forms Designer. Knowledge on 9text forms will be added advantage. Ability to create complex SharePoint Designer workflows. Experience in working with SharePoint frameworks and SharePoint Online. Technology requires CS, .NET, JS, JavaScript, jQuery, Angular, Node.js, CSS and HTML5. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. Next, for the same organization, they are looking for senior customer support executive, Hindi or Bengali languages. Skills required are as below: should be able to speak Hindi or in Bengali, should have worked as a customer support executive in Indian market for at least 2 years, operate as a vital link between the client and operations, assign jobs to team to ensure maximum utilization of resources, play an important role with the client manager to develop an environment that provides motivation and opportunities for the team, assess, understand, analyze the client requirements and ensure the deadlines are adhered, excellent listening and comprehension, be a fast learner and a team player, good communication skills required. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. Next, for the same organization, Whitefont, they are looking for senior finance executive. Skills required are as below: should have expertise in any of leading accounting software such as Tally, assist in the preparation of periodic, quarterly, and annual financial reports, in-depth knowledge and handling of statutory compliances such as PF, ESI, PT, TDS, and GST, expertise in salary, incentive, bonus processing, expertise in handling banking transactions, expertise in handling SMB's accounting needs, looking for immediate joinees. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. For the same organization, Whitefont, they are looking for senior admin manager. Skills required are as below: expertise in handling transport and guest management, hands-on experience in corporate social responsibility activities, knowledge of up-to-date forex exchange dates, arranging for necessary infrastructure involving purchase of items and office equipment to facilitate smooth business operations, ensuring maintenance of sufficient office supplies and office equipments are in proper working conditions, any other work assigned from time to time by the management, good at browsing and oral communications. You can contact in the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further. Next, for the same organization, Whitefont, they are looking for senior HR executive. Skills required are as below: expertise in sourcing of experienced technical and non-technical candidates, experience in complete recruitment cycle or onboarding process, identifying the right channel to a source for appropriate candidate, good communication skills. You can contact in the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Next, for the same organization, they are looking for senior telecaller, outbound voice sales. Skills required are as below: should we have experience in outbound sales in US, UK, Australia, and New Zealand market, responsible for generating sales with product specific inquiries, good communication, convincing skills, responsible to attend both incoming and outbound calls, inquiries, report on sales activities to superiors through scheduled reporting structure, reaching the targets and goal sets, establishing, maintaining, and expanding the customer base, looking for immediate journeys. You can contact the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. For the same organization, they are looking for senior business development executive. Skills required are as below: expertise in lead generation, cold calling, and client acquisition in software products and technological services such as website, e-commerce portal, mobile apps, animation, and digital marketing. Expertise in working any one of the geographical locations such as India, UK, Middle East, Arab, USA, Canada, and ANZ, Singapore, and Malaysia. Consistent target achievers are preferred. The ideal candidate should have experience in all stages of sales cycle. They should be confident with building new client relationships and maintaining the existing ones. They should have evidence of strong communication skills and possess good negotiation skills. You can contact on the given address or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe the channel for more updated videos. If you have any another job requirements which is not listed in this video, let me know in comments. I will be replying for that.